Introduce highlight features or overview of pressure washer, 2300 psi electric pressure washer, 1.4 GPM power washer with 5 spray nozzles. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. The motor of this electric power washer is up to 2300 psi, 1.4 GPM max water flow, and the foam mode of this car washer machine is really good, making it possible to quickly wash your car or anything else for that matter. With 26 feet sturdy pressure hose and 35 feet power cord, the machine is able to reach any area you may want to spray off. Electric power washer has less noise than gas washer, making you more comfortable when using the power machine. The adjustable nozzle is more easy to use, you don't need to change the nozzle each time. The lock button is to prevent from spray gun being engaged accidentally. When the button is on lock, the spray gun will be locked. Quite easy to store hose and power cord, no worry to lose them. If you want to get full highlight features and full review, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.